In this video, I shall explain an activity to help children improve their understanding of the decimal notation and place value. A decimal number has two components, whole number to the left of the decimal point and fractional part to the right. You can write decimals with many places to the right of the decimal point. For example, the digits to the right of the decimal point show that it is less than one whole. As you know, while writing a whole number, the rightmost digit is automatically assumed to be in the ones place. Just like whole numbers, decimal numbers also have place value and a corresponding number word. The first digit to the right of the decimal point indicates the number of tens, which represents a place value of 1 by 10 or 1/10 of the whole. The second place is called the hundreds, which represents a place value of 1 by 100 or 100. The third place is called the thousands, which represents a place value of 1 by 1000 or 1000. The value of the digit decreases every time it moves to the right in the place value chart. It gets 10 times smaller than the value to its left. Here is a comparison with the place values of the whole number. Absence of ones. You may wonder as to why the place value ones is missing. A little thinking would reveal that ones is the same as ones. For example, 5 ones are same as 5 ones and their value is 5. Activity. Dividing the square into 100 parts. Draw a large square. It represents one whole. Now, divide the square into 10 rows of equal size. If the square is cut into 10 strips of equal size, then each strip represents 1/10 or 0.1 of the square. Divide each strip into 10 smaller squares of equal size to represent hundreds. 0.01. This demonstrates that 10/100th of the square is the same as 1/10 of it. Let children identify the shapes that are called tens and hundreds of the square. Once they have identified the shapes, ask them how many hundreds of the square make a tenth of it. How many make 2/10 of it, and so on. Shade some portion of the square, say the portion corresponding to 24 hundredths of the square, and color it. Then ask children how many tenths of the square are there in shaded portion. Here they identify the shaded portion as 2/10 and 400. We can denote 2/10 and 400ths as 0.24. You can ask children to color various portions and write the number corresponding to that in decimal form. Example 1. What number does the following diagram represent? 6/10, 9 hundredths. So, the decimal number is 0.69. Example 2. What decimal number does the following diagram represent? No complete rows have been shaded, that is 0/10. 5 small squares of one row have been shaded. So, the decimal number is 0.05. Now, give them a number and ask them to color the corresponding tens and hundreds. To verify their understanding, give them another exercise. What number does the following set of blocks represent? There is one large square, so the ones digit is 1. There are two 1/10 strips, so the tens digit is 2. There are 4 100 squares, so the hundreds digit is 4. So the figure represents the decimal number 1.24. Such activities are very useful in improving children's understanding of decimal notation and place value. I will be back with another interesting video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Bye.